Hello and welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today we are going to be talking about how to convert time into hours, minutes and seconds in Excel. It's just easy way, just follow a step and you can easily do the converter hours, minutes and seconds. So I'm going to show you how can you do that. Let me start with our Excel sheet and what I'm going to do. Here you can see the time is given. I already made it and time, and you can see it's custom as well. And the next one is as a number format to convert the hours, minutes and seconds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the equal, then use this one. Then what I'm going to do, use the time 24 because in a day there is a 24 hours. So for this reason, I'm using the 24 and hit on the hours. So now you can see this is the 15 hours and 15 minutes. So you can say because it's a PM, it's not the AM. For this is the 15 hours. Same way you can just do and scroll down here. And now you can see this is the 9 and this is the 22 hours. So why it's come like that 22 hours? Because this is the PM and 9 and because it is the AM. The next I'm gonna do with the minutes, same way. I can just do equal, then use this one and use the time and use the bracket. Then now I'm gonna use the 24 then times 16 because the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this is the reason I'm going to use 16, then hit on the enter. Now you can see this is the minutes, 930 minutes. So same way, I need to drag down here. Now you can see it's changed the minutes. Okay, same way, just use the 47, click, then you'll see this one, then use the multiply, then use the bracket, then use the 24 times minutes, 60, and use the 760 because 1 minute is equal to 60. Then close it, then hit on the enter. Now you can see it's changed with seconds. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do, I just drag down to here. Then you can see it's changed into the seconds. So in the day, and the wine is 3:30 p.m. now. The second is the video, and same way, just you can see, and you can just use a formula. Okay, the next one I'm going to show that with the formula. So how can you convert the hours? So what I'm gonna do, click on here, or for I'm using, then use the convert. Let me write, then close the number. I'm using the value, then close. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm using for day. So I'm writing the day, then comma, then I'm using for hours. So for this, I'm using, so you can see that you can just see use the Y are then different as a hour or HR and minutes for minutes and seconds for second. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use for the hours. So for this, I'm using the inverted HR, then close it. Hit on the enter. Now you can see this gives the same answer. So what I'm going to do is drag down. Now you can see we got the same value. Okay. Same way we can just do for a minute. So what I'm going to do, just use a convert, then bracket, then use this one, then comma, then use the day, inverted, then comma, then use for a minute. We can write MN, then close, hit on the enter. No. Now you can see it's come with the same, just drag down and you can see the same answer. Okay, for a second, same way we just use this one, then comma, and use a day, then comma, then use for seconds. So we will write this one, close it. Now hit on the enter. Now you can see it's changed the second and it converted to time. Okay, just drag down and you can find our answer or what you are looking for, and we can easily use this formula for converting the time to hours, minutes, and seconds.